Good girl. Good girl. Good job. You ready to walk to mama? Okay, walk to mama. Walk to mama. Uh-oh! Good girl. Got a little off track there, didn't you, Audrey? She's a little camera baby.
She got stuck.
Good girl. Go get her. Go to her. Go to mama. Go to mama. Good.
Come on. You're just gonna get tired if you stand there.
What you looking at, Audrey?
Come here.
Mama. Stand up and go. Go get her.
It was really cute because she said, and then she got herself. Where are you going?
Dog beds are better. Okay, go. Walk to mama. Good girl. You made it halfway.
Clap.
Okay. Good girl. Okay, now, no, you can't clap while you walk or else you'll fall. You gotta focus on the feet. Good girl! G. Go to mama. Good girl. Get her. Go get her, baby. Go get her. Good girl. Almost.
You did it. Oh, good. Okay, go get your dad.
Come to dad. Come on. Come on. Good job. Come on. Oh, yeah. Good baby. Good job. Did it. Okay. Come here. Get up, up, up. That is just cheating. She'll get some after she gets it. Okay, now go get it to mama. Go get it. Good girl. Good girl.
Nice work. Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Come get it. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. You did it. What a good baby. Just stand like that for a while. Got something to distract her. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. Good girl. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Take it to mom. Take it to mama. Oh, no. Here. Get steady. Get steady. Okay, take it to your mom. Take it to mama. Good girl. It's like she did a lot better with something in her hand.
Thank you.
Something to like focus on.